Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Again with you, Omar from Brownsburg Motorsports, and today we have a 2017 BMW X3 25 X-Drive, and the car needs a new radiator fan. So let's get to it. All right, after we disconnected the battery in the trunk, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start by removing this beam over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe these are T40. Let me double check. Yep, they are T40 bolts. 4 on this, 2 here, and 4 on the other side as well. So let's go and get started. And then we have 3 on the front. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I'm talking about these 3 over here. 1, 2, 3, and those are T30s. And the access on those can be a little bit hard. So what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use my extension, and I'm gonna see if I can access them without, yep. That's one. All right, and with that, this piece is removed here. It has that piece over there as a guide, so it goes on the back, and we can get that bolt that we couldn't get earlier. All right, the first thing we have to do is basically remove the connector for the fan. I have already removed it, but basically it has a tab on the side and a tab on the other side. You press those 2 tabs, and the connector comes off. It will help to use a needle nose plier. The next one is a T25 screw or bolt that goes right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it goes right there. And I just went ahead and removed that. After that, we have the bolt that goes all the way down here. It's a T25. It holds on the oil cooler to the fan shroud. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can move our fan a little bit. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit released. I believe there is a tab on the side over here that we have to unlock so we can get the fan out. All right, the next step would be removing the air duct over here because we want to access the tab on the side that holds the radiator fan. I'm gonna use my T30 for this bolt over here. Right, now the hose is, take it out from here and from here, put it to the side. All right, so this is where we're working now. That's the tab with the yellow mark on it. I want to go ahead and push it in and pull on my radiator, on my fan shroud. At the same time, we have to remove the oil cooler from the way because it is attached. It was attached with that bolt. I want to go ahead and release that. So let's see here. Okay, at least it's out of the tab on the top. Here we go. Now it's completely out. Let's see if we can put our oil cooler to the side. There we go. That's better now. I believe our oil cooler is off. There we go. Yep. Now we can go ahead and pull on our fan shroud. All right. Let's go ahead and get our fan shroud out, so I can show you where the oil cooler was connected and how I got it off. Just be careful when doing this. It does have. You do have to move like some hoses around on both ends, and the oil cooler keeps getting in the way as well, so we gotta make sure. There we go. And with that, our fan shroud is out. Now let me show you where the oil cooler was sitting. All right, looking at the driver's side on the fan shroud itself, the oil cooler kind of slides in here. It slides in there, and then we have the bolt that's on top, that's the T25 that we removed earlier, and then there is a hose over here. So to remove the fan shroud or the radiator fan, you attach the hose, you remove the first T25 on the side, and then the second T25 that holds it on this side over here, up top, and then you pull on the fan itself. Let me show you what you have to move basically inside the car. First, you got this hose over here, keeps getting stuck on the fan. So just push it, pull a little bit. And on the other side, we have our oil cooler. That one right there. So with the oil cooler, that's the tab on the bottom over here that goes into our radiator fan. And that's the spot for the T25. Now to put this back, just reverse your steps and you should be able to get in and out with no issues. Alright, that sums it up for our video. That was basically it for the removal of the radiator fan on this car. And like I was saying earlier, to put it back, just retrace your steps and you shouldn't have any issues. If you do face any issues though, feel free to text me or message me on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagram. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more content.